project is about the realization of artificial muscles that have properties similar to the human muscles. And our idea is to make them biocompatible so we can implant them in humans if needed.
The project was about biodiversity and a network of PhD students scattered across different countries in Europe. And the main topic was conservation biology and applying what we know from computational biology, but also biodiversity and its evolution to design conservation biology policies and train PhD students.
Wir haben eine Projekteingabe vorbereitet für Horizon Europe und das Projekt heißt Legitimate Crisis Management in Multilevel Governance. Und es geht eigentlich darum, herauszufinden, wie sich die Maßnahmen eigentlich auf die demokratische Gouvernance der Staaten ausgewirkt haben im Kontext der Covid-19-Krise und gleichzeitig auch welchen Einfluss Mehrebenenstaaten eigentlich oder die Mehrebenenstrukturen in Staaten haben auf die Crisis Governance in den Staaten und dann herauszufinden, welche Möglichkeiten es gibt, um für zukünftige Krisen die demokratische Krisengovernance eigentlich zu verbessern.
Basically, our project was funded in collaboration with other international partners. And we were the coordinators of the project. And actually, this program is so competitive that we were the only Swiss partner that were coordinating one of these projects. And unfortunately, due to the dissociation of Switzerland from Horizon Europe, we were basically taking away all the coordination tasks. And also our part of the budget was no more covered by the European Commission, so we will have to ask money to the Swiss government, basically. The big problem is that by losing the coordination, we have no official control now on the project that we wrote, basically. So it's really a pity.
Jetzt ganz konkret wollten wir für dieses Projekt eigentlich den Lead übernehmen. Und letzten Frühling war dann relativ schnell klar, dass das unter Umständen nicht gehen wird, aber dann vielleicht schon. Und am Schluss mussten wir feststellen, dass wir als Freiburger Forschungsinstitut den Lead, die Kooperation dieses Forschungsprojektes nicht werden übernehmen können und uns dann kurzfristig eine andere Lösung eigentlich einfallen lassen mussten.
At the time I was invited to join this project, it wasn't entirely clear whether I was able to participate in the network, being based in Switzerland. And then we looked at the different rules, but it wasn't really obvious which way it was. We asked the admin here in Switzerland, but also in Sweden, and in the end the Swedish partners didn't feel comfortable enough having me on board because they did want, obviously, to make sure that they were meeting all the requirements for this call. So in the end I dropped out of the network, to avoid affecting their eligibility for the project.
Scientific research, especially top quality scientific research, really relies on international collaborations. And Europe is a great environment for this because it provides like an inclusive framework where you have funding that you can apply together with international partners. And this is really a way to boost collaboration between partners from different nationalities. And I think this is now really important and is becoming more and more important if you want to have a fast technology development and technology transfer to industry.
Die Forschung funktioniert international und wir sind darauf angewiesen, dass wir Teil sind von diesem Netzwerk. Und ich glaube, diese politischen Entscheide auf der institutionellen Ebene und unsere Forschung, die ohnehin so funktioniert, haben eigentlich recht wenig miteinander zu tun. Und wir finden es sehr schade, dass das auf dem Buckel quasi der Forschung ausgetragen wird. Deswegen sind wir schon enttäuscht und einfach auch betroffen von diesem politischen Hin und Her.
Science crosses borders all the time. We collaborate with international partners in our research and always will. So any barrier that affects the ability within the scientific community to share resources and knowledge, any of these barriers will harm basically the ability for science to progress.